Yo, what's up, dog? What's up? Oh, no. This is a Twitchy. I do TikTok as well. I have, 5 million, eh? 500万人いるよ. See, now she's in there because I say I have 5 million. Spam dicks. I farted. Hey, you look like a giraffe.
No. Your neck is nothing.
What?
Your neck is nothing.
It said I have no neck.
No neck.
She's talking shit, dude. Your neck is...
No.
I don't smell the leather, many cycles of wear, smelly. Lost shoes. That's my diagnosis. Oh, look. Evidence. Stop trying to take my hair out. What the fuck? Yeah, hello, Ayasanda. And I think you're doing great. I hope you're getting great grades in school. And I think that everyone else in the family is doing well on my side. I am feeling better every day by day. Why does my arm smell like absolute shit? I don't fucking stand. It like out of my arm comes out poo. The stench of poo. Out of my arm is the stench of poo. Oh, the host club? Sorry, dude, I'm looking for a toilet. We back? Alright, here's a bonus. 5, 4. Can I get some chicken and biscuits and some slaw? Can I get some slaw? Capsule Hotel, Japanese. Perfect size, small Japanese wife. 2 units. $5 million. Capsule Hotel.